Hello, very good morning. Sir, these are some of the steps that we have to follow for installation of the Zoom link and the prerequisite that we have to do. So these are the 5 step, you can 6 step process. You can see the first one is creation of the syllabus from the digital learning hub portal. Second is the creation of the reference material node. Third one is the MCQ assessment and their scheduling. Fourth one is the add content and install Zoom link. Fifth one is the scheduling of content and the MCQ. And sixth one is the reports generation. So this is a 6 step process that we should know for the installation of the Zoom link and creation of the reports. So I will take you to the practical session, how we will create the creation of the notes in our digital learning hub portal. Second one, how to add the reference material note and how to do this MCQ scheduling of the MCQ assessment. So I'm taking you to the practical of this, how the installation of the Zoom link. In between, if you have any queries, please let me know. So this is a course that I have opened, the course on the wealth management and financial planning batch 1. From here, from the you can see this icon. From here, you just first click on the syllabus. This is step 1. So this screen will open. In here, you have a first tab is of syllabus, second is of content, third is of delivery control. So I'm
Ankit, only PPT is coming.
Yeah, it's not changing. It's not changing.
okay. Resume share.
You Ankit,
Now it is visible.
Now it's coming.
Okay. So this is the main screen where we have to create the syllabus, content, and the delivery control. Right? This is a course
Ankit, it's voice is not coming.
Yeah, he's saying some network issue. He's gone.
Acha.
Okay, then basically the screen that he has shared is the course contents, where we'll have to make the topics or syllabus. मनोज 10 मिनट के बाद आप बात करो, ठीक है? बात करो आप इस
Can you send me the same sheet which you are working with ICAI? I just see it how what you do.
Yes, I'll share it with you. Yes. Yeah, I will share the screen 1 second. Okay. So as a course administrator, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how as a course administrator you log in. So the link learning.ici.org/lx/login/lx, where you can save this and keep. And Ind AS आप Ind AS का login username आप बता सकते हो. So here is where you can log in. Say Ind AS, you are saying Ind AS course. What is your login? Can you any of you tell me? Hello. I will try to unmute one of you.
Prachi, can you do you know the Ind AS course ka email ID?
No, I have unmuted you. Hello. Prachi, 1 second. Yes, I've allowed you to talk, Prachi.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, so Index course is Index course at ICAI.in and password is
Ind AS course.
manpower 123.
ICAI.in. All in small, Prachi.
Yeah.
वो नहीं हो रहा है.
1 second.
हाँ.
Just let me check once
हाँ.
because it's not my ID. Just a second.
बोलो okay, I'm continuing. You just
It's
join.
manpower @123. It's manpower @123.
ठीक है. I have logged in. अरे नहीं हो रहा है यार. Ind AS course@icai.in.
मैडम ये ईमेल का पासवर्ड बोल रहे हैं, ये कोर्स का अलग सा पासवर्ड होगा आपका?
नहीं, मैंने बना कर दिया है ना, है क्या? Okay. Anyway, let me then check it from my end only. 1 second. No, I want Prachi. I want the LX login.
I don't know that.
Ankit would know it, I think, otherwise, because he was managing. Okay. Anyway, I'll reset it and give you. What I think your username is just Ind AS. That was the problem. Anyway, I'm resetting it now. Putting the password as So the link, this is one link, but the best link to work as an administrator is learning.ici.org/LX. This is the best link to work for you. So it is indays@icai.in. And the password that we had kept now is learning@123. I'm resetting the password. I'm resetting it like this. Indays learning@123. Please note down.
All small letters.
Yes, all small. Login ID sorry.
Prachi, Naiden and Kulashekara, these you people should know this ID. Huh? And Choshal, you also.
आप देख लो. The correct ID I've kept is learning_Indays@123. Okay, so that you can remember.
Learning underscore.
_Indays@123. And your username is Indays.
Sangeeta madam,
Yes.
you can WhatsApp that exactly. Huh?
Sure, I'll do that now. अच्छा, ये अलाउ नहीं कर रहा है. This is the correct password I've kept. Yeah. So this is what you will see as a course administrator. So when you come as a course administrator into the platform, the most important link that you will have to manage is manage courses. But is a combination of regular course and scheduled courses, regular courses and the self-paced courses. So you can even categorize them. If you click on regular or if you click on the normal, your course should be there, which is your certificate course, which is upcoming course, course template. These are all the ways in which you can access the courses. But for us, what we want, we have our certificate course. I clicked on current courses. It is not a course template. The course is running now and you're able to see batch 1 here. So once I create the course from my administrator login, you will be able to see it like this on your login, wherein it is structured Indays certificate course, Indays knowledge tool batch 1. So you can click on that batch. Now for tomorrow, you have the next batch. So once let us just go through this, then I'll create the new one also and show you.
Yeah.
Right. So now here, how many people you had? You had around 105. It was not exactly 105, it was 103. And the others are, you say myself as because I'm the administrator, and Indays, you are the other person. Other than that are all the members there on the platform. Okay. So this is how they'll get added and you can see them here. Now, as a course administrator, the important thing that you will be working on is this menu here. Like when I click on the menu and you're able to see manage, course details and things like this is the menu which you will be working. Very important menu. So once a batch is created from my admin login, what you will have to do is you will click on content. So this is the important screen which it was. Ankit, you're there? Hello? Ankit? Okay. I don't know what happened. Okay. Fine. Let me continue then. This is how to make the TO for the course. So you can see how the TOC has been created. That is based on your sessions and days. He has created the TOC. Now, next thing is once the TOC is created, the next job that you will do is you can even add a description to your TOCs. That is a small line about that day's session. You can do that also. And the content of how do you integrate your Zoom session, you will click on content and all your session names will be there. Then say your next session day 2, you click on add content. So here when you click on add content, the editor, the inbuilt editor opens up.
मैडम
स्क्रीन पे नहीं आ रहा है मैडम
ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा स्क्रीन पे मैडम
एक मिनट कर दिया मैंने. अच्छा वो मल्टीपल पॉपअप स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही है. ये आ रही है अभी?
अब आ रहा है मैडम.
Yes. Okay. So you have the table of contents. So the important thing that you will be working would be the syllabus, and then syllabus you will create the session notes, then the content tab. So into the content tab, you click on add content. Then you have the editor that comes up. Then within this editor is what we integrate the Zoom. How do we do that? I'll tell you. So like say for example in Word, I had created a small table. I'm just putting this as a sample. That you can copy and paste. Now you can see, I've just put a table. Karo. I'm continuing the session. You please join. Yeah. See, okay. So I have just put a table. So in this, I have created this table in Word, and then I have just pasted the table. So once you paste the table with the basic format that we have maintained is we'll just have this heading, the name of the course, the time or a session about the course. And then what I have done is, एक minute. Hanji. Sapna, I'm in a small training session. Can I just table in Word. So to integrate the Zoom link, I will have to just click on the bottom cell here. And how do I do that? Here on the editor, this is the icon with which I can insert the Zoom link into the content. How do I do that? Click on insert media and I paste the Zoom link URL here. And now the Zoom link URL which we have created for this session or otherwise, 1 second, hold on. So the Zoom link
I have
that
shared you my on chat. I have shared you in chat.
please share. एक मिनट, मैंने चैट को ओपन नहीं किया. Yeah. So now I am going to paste a Zoom link there. I'm copying it. I think you're able to see my screen. And here I can paste the Zoom link. I hope everybody is able to see it. And I click on OK. So you can see that the Zoom link has got integrated into the session. Okay. So this is the simple job of integrating the Zoom link into DLH as a course administrator. It's the very basic thing, wherein for every day's session, you will integrate the Zoom link by just you create a simple table like this in Word, copy paste it. You can make colors or whatever, which I had done for the other sessions. You can do that. Then how do you put the Zoom link? I'll tell you again. Within that editor, you have the icon called Insert Media Embed. You just click that icon. That is, before clicking that icon, what you do, you place your cursor to the place where you put the Zoom link. Then click on that icon, paste the Zoom link, and then click on OK. That's it. I hope everybody is able to.
Yeah.
Ankit,
Yes sir, बताइए.
अब मैडम का शायद है ना डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया है. मीनवाइल वो मैडम ज्वाइन करते
Okay.
हैं. क्वेश्चन सेशन ले लो.
ठीक है,
जब
I
तक.
will take you. Yes sir.
Yeah. Ankit, what we can
Yes,
do
sir.
is some of these session as we discussed, na, it is going to be relevant only for 2-3 of our members.
Okay, sir.
We will have that separate session with you on that, and
No
we'll
issue, sir.
do it for batch 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can now, like Vishnu is saying, Q&A session we can do, and then more we can, I think Sangeeta madam is, she's saying that Ankit, you continue. There is some login problem.
Okay. Okay. So, sir, I think Sangeeta ma'am has discussed regarding the installation of the link. I will just take you with the process once again, step by step. Sir, this is a screen where the syllabus, content, and delivery control is coming, right? So here we have to create the node under the topic. For example, this is a day 3. Day 3 risk analysis and insurance planning. Here I have added one node for reference material. This work, like I have already Prachi has a knowledge regarding the same also, how to create the node. So here we can make this reference material.
अंकित, ये ऐड नोड का ऑप्शन कहाँ से आया?
ये सर इधर प्लस का साइन आया है ना, यहाँ पर आपको ये दिख रहा है ऐड आइटम, ये दिस वन.
अच्छा, ये तो आपने नोड ऐड कर रहे हो डे. अच्छा, एक और चीज है, ये डे वाइज जो इसमें इंट्रोडक्शन फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग है, ये कहाँ से आया है?
ये सर हमने पहले ये सिलेबस ऑलरेडी क्रिएट करा हुआ है, जस्ट फॉर द एग्जांपल.
अच्छा,
आई एम सेइंग कि यस, लाइक दिस स्टेप 1 इज टू क्रिएट द सिलेबस.
अच्छा, एक और क्वेश्चन है अंकित, अगर जैसे हम बैच 2, बैच 3 या बैच 4 का क्रिएट करने जाते हैं तो ये लिखा हुआ आएगा पहले से ही?
नहीं, पहले से नहीं लिखा हुआ आएगा. आप
तो वहां से शुरू करिए ना, फिर वहां से शुरू करिए कि जहां से हमें ये पहले डे 1 डे 2 ये ऐड करना है, वहां से ऐड शुरू करिए ना.
सर डे 1 यहाँ से आपको ऐड हो जाएगा. जैसे आप यहाँ पर जाएंगे ना, ऐड यूनिट, राइट? जैसे मुझे एक यूनिट और ऐड करनी है, सो आई क्लिक इट ऑन द ऐड यूनिट, राइट? So here I have just given the name. In the similar way, I have to make all the nodes, right? This is option available at the top, add unit, right? इसके बाद, apart from this, once you create the node, then your next step is to come to the content, right? You have to just first save it.
சொல்லுங்க சார். நான் ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன், ஆன் ஆத்ல தான் இருக்கேன்.
So content I have opened, right? Here you will see out the topic 3 reference material is coming. From here you can add you have to click on the add content. So once you click on the add content, this window will come. Right? So here you have to just write down whatever the material that you have to put on the links, like PPT, webinar, whatever be the material. So here I just click on the PPT, or once then I have to select the same. Select, and then I have to just the link there. Link. And then browse server. Upload file. From here you can select any of the file. like this.
अंकित फाइल्स नजर नहीं आ
So
रही
now
हैं
the
कोई भी,
file is get,
नजर नहीं आ रहा
ये
फाइल्स
आपको
का
फाइल नहीं
जो
दिख रही, ओके
नहीं दिख रहा है, दोबारा से स्टार्ट करो शायद आ जाए फाइल अपलोड का ऑप्शन।
ओके ओके I just uploading the file, I directly take you to that file. Is this screen is visible to you? The browse server?
नहीं, ब्राउज ऑप्शन बैकग्राउंड स्क्रीन दिख रहा है अंकित, जो जब ब्राउज ऑप्शन करते हो ना आप तो वो उसमें नजर नहीं आ रहा कुछ भी, ग्रे ग्रे हो जाता है वो एरिया।
Okay, so might be some technical issue is there.
Yeah.
So you have to what you have to do, you have to just click on the file what you want to upload it, like in that manner. So file will be linked, and then you have to click on the OK button. So now the link is created on that PPT. Is it visible?
ये
Kulshekar, now
अंकित बस
I
एक चीज
think-
बताना, ये ऑप्शन कहाँ से लिया था आपने पीपीटी अपलोड करने का? एक बार दोबारा बस ऑप्शन बता दीजिए बस।
Okay. From here you can see it.
अपलोड फाइल,
No, from here, this button, link.
लिंक, ओके।
So this window will open, and from here you have to browse server and upload a file, and then click OK.
ओके
Right. First,
Okay.
my first step is creation of the syllabus. Under it, the syllabus, I have added the reference material, and under the reference material, I have added a reference material with the link.
ओके एंड जो मटेरियल
Then
है
we have to click on the save button.
Actually, just to add on everybody, the options here are when you have the notes, like Ankit, you can go up, scroll up to the table of contents. The idea here is once the session nodes are created, that is once the batch is created from my end, the course admin can log in, which will be the committee login where we have shared now indas@icai.in and learning_123. When you log in, you will see the name of that batch. You click on the name of that batch and you will have these three things where I have seen, like when you click on the content, you will have all these headings that you will create, which is called the syllabus. Then you add the content. So for any course, how we are going about is, number one, you add the sessions or the notes. Number two, you add the reference material already available with you. Then number three, for every session, give the name of the session like I was showing you. Ankit, can you show them how we do that Zoom link? I'll tell them how,
Yes, ma'am.
how I
Yes,
went.
ma'am.
I was doing it. Probably that is the reason.
Okay,
why
no,
the net got
I
cut.
will do it, ma'am.
Yeah.
So my step second is adding the reference material. Now, coming to the same part where you will add the Zoom link. Like Zoom link will be added on the main you can say the link, the day 2, the parent link. This is a day 2 or day 3 link. You can see it in risk analysis and insurance planning or advanced planning. This is a day 1, day 2, right? So from here you just click on this edit content, right? So once you click on the edit content, this page will open. This window, the same window. You can edit this window. Like this, the course is on the wealth management and financial planning.
So
here,
each
what
of
you
you,
have to use-
Ankit, just to add,
Yeah.
each of you, just a table that we created in Word and copy pasted it. That's
Yes,
it.
yes.
The basic
Yeah.
content. So as
So
I
wha-
showed you, that can be done. Now Ankit will show you how to integrate the Zoom link again. Yes.
Madam, this will be the day-wise content as decided by the committee, is it not?
Yes, correct. Correct.
So from here, you first come down to that part, the third part, where you want to add that link. Select that portion, then come to that this insert media embed tab. Insert media embedded. Click on this tab. Place the URL here. जो आपका Zoom link का URL है, जो विष्णु सर आपको बना के देते हैं, वो हमको यहाँ पुट करना होता है. Then we have to click on the OK. So once you click on put the URL link and click on the OK, it will look like in this way. And then you have to update.
Madam, one more question. Will we be given all the URLs for all the days together, or day by day it will be given?
It will be given for all the days.
In one shot.
In one shot, if all the session are planned. Like आपके पास सारे all the sessions, if you have a session list, this is a plan for my 11-day session, and this is the timing, and there is no change in the timing, then we can use the same link.
Yes.
Same Zoom link.
Okay. Okay.
Ankit, now आप एक और option दिखा दो. The next option that Ankit will show you is within the node, you opened on edit content and you can put headings and keep uploading files. That is one option. So the second option that you can do is, like he has created for day 1, he has added a subtopic and then he has given a head name as reference material. And into that he can add directly a file also. You can directly upload a file so that the participants can know that there is a PPT or a PDF and with this is the name of the PDF. Direct upload of file, wo dikha do, Ankit.
Okay, ma'am. So here you just see it. Here there is also option. I am just showing you after the day 1 reference material, add reference on multiple files. From here also you can directly upload the files. You just give the name of the file, upload file name, and then select the file that is to be uploaded, and then click on the save button. So it is very simple process.
Can you just show the option from where you went to this place? The internet froze.
Once again, I will show you. From here itself, you just see it, edit content revision, and after that there is add reference on multiple files.
Got it. वो internet freeze हो गया था.
Okay. So after doing this, what you have to do? You come to the delivery control, the third process. First is syllabus creation, second is the content, third is the delivery control. So in the delivery control, we have to schedule from where to where the batch is to be, the batch opening time and the closing time. For example, introduction to the financial planning that is available between 20th April, Tuesday from 12 p.m. to the 8 p.m. For example, for risk analysis, I am just activating. I will not save it. Step 1, click on this button, activate and share now. So this window will open, and from this window you will see that presently this content is inactive, right? We have to now make it active, and or you can select the option available between. So this content will be available. For example, my India's tomorrow batch will be from 10 p.m. to that 2 p.m. So from here, what I will do, I select the 1st May, then select the time. Like batch will start from 10. (10:15), for example. Similarly, the ending time of the batch. For example, it is 12:17. Whatever the time you will select, you have to just schedule it in between, and then click on the save changes. Or if you want to notify the user,
Ankit, that is what. This here create event on timeline and notify users on save. All
That
of
is,
you have to be very careful. That is, if you click on notify users on save means there is an auto mail that will go to all the participants. So unless you're very sure with the scheduling time and other things, if you're sure, then you can do this and then click that notify users on save. Then the other thing on the top, mark unit as read. That is the default option as of now. Views content, we will tell you, we will give you instructions later what to change. And create event on timeline is just, it will add in the calendar. You can add it. But as of now, all of you would only follow this procedure as available between, make it available and public, the content will be available, and just you will say save changes. That's it. Yeah, continue.
Madam, one question, madam.
Batao.
What is the purpose of giving a time rather than making it just active? Why are we giving time in between that from this time to this time only?
Yes,
will the content be unavailable to people after that?
Yeah, we don't want the notes to be available as of now to people after that, because only if I restrict it to the time, I will be able to capture his login time and actually attending the sessions.
Okay.
That is the only reason why we are trying to restrict.
So Kulshekar, is it now it is understandable?
Understood.
Okay.
So this thing is only for the day session or whatever day, for example,
Yes.
5 to 6, you'll be putting it like that.
Yeah, in the similar way, you have to just add the reference material active. This is presently coming in the log because I have not uploaded the material, right? If I want to make it active, then I have to just select it and make it active, right? So this is a 3-step process. One is syllabus, second one is the content, third one is the delivery control. Now my fourth part is coming, how to sync the MCQ into the module. The MCQ part.
Ankit, are we next going to show them how to do MCQs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm just showing you the first MCQ template.
Hello, yes.
Hello.
Kulshekar,
are you able to see this MCQ template?
No, it is not visible. I'm at the delivery control screen.
Okay.
Delivery control screen, last screen log वाला जो है वहीं पे है.
वो email में और लिख दीजिए. Okay.
Now it is coming.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a MCQ template where we have to put the MCQs. And in the MCQ template, first you have to come directly to the tab English. So once you come on the tab English, you will find first you have to provide the question number, question text. Then you have to put the options there. 1, 2, 3. If there is a 2 option, then you put options in that the similar way. And then in the option count, like if you have provided the 4 option, then you have to put the 4 here. And among the which one is the correct option, you have to provide the correct option number. Like 4 is here. And for the second option count 4. And here the correct option is 3rd.
ये तो कमिटी से मिलेगा या हमें बनाना पड़ेगा?
ये कमिटी बनाकर this is for the committee actually कि this is how to prepare the MCQ, right? So in that way we have to first fill up this English tab, provide the question text here and the options here. Sir.
Hello. Yes.
Sir,
yes, Ankit.
Who will take this? Who will fill up this MCQ, sir, template? for India?
As I mentioned to you, we will have a, that's why I said this particular, all this session, this is going to be relevant only for 2-3 members, not all these people
sir.
for there. It is good for them to know that what all is there. But as we discussed yesterday, I'll have only specific 2-3 persons who will be working with you for this this first 1 or 2 batches with you. Do it along with you live, and then they will start doing it on their own. Yeah, that's the way we take it.
Okay, so I think, sir, this is not relevant for this training session.
Yeah.
And then once you get the template of the MCQ, what you have to do, you come again on the platform.
वो प्लेटफॉर्म स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है अंकित.
आएगा अभी, उसको नया स्क्रीन करना पड़ेगा, न्यू शेयर. Right, so from here we have to come to the activities. This is, I am just syncing the MCQ template to the digital learning hub.
अंकित, फॉर एग्जांपल हम 2, 3 and 4 बैचेस लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, तो जो बैच 1 में जो हमने स्ट्रक्चर वैसा बना रखा है वो कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं हो सकता है सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ बैच में?
सर, जो आप जो स्ट्रक्चर बनाया है, इसका पूरा एक टेम्पलेट होता है, दैट वी हैव टू जस्ट मेक इट एज अ बैच. एक बार बैच बनने के बाद जितने हमारे डेज रहते हैं वो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहती, बट फॉर दिस क्रिएशन ऑफ द बैच वी कैन नॉट कॉपी इट एंड पेस्ट इट अगेन. We have to separately mention the field here. There is a no template where we can upload the same.
Separately, हर एक डे का क्रिएट करना पड़ जाएगा separately.
Yes. Just this is a batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. Okay. So from here, like I'm just syncing the MCQ template into the digital learning hub platform. So my first step is to come into the activities. From here, I just come in from this icon, clicking on the activities. Then click on the create button. Then from the create button, I have to just click on the assessment. And from assessment, I have to just select the create new. For example, this is a wealth management. Day 3, batch 1. Then click on the next. Then in few minutes, this screen will open. Wealth management day 3 batch. From here, we have to upload this template, upload question paper. Browse the template here. And here you have to just provide the number of the attempts. Like अगर हमको 3 attempt देने हैं, so we can provide here 3 or 4. Attempts का मतलब हो गया, एक बार उसने अगर वो fail हो गया participant, then he can attempt another time. So we are providing presently the 2 attempts. So it depends upon the committee ki how many number the participant can attempt the question paper. and then we have to just select on click on the create. Actually, due to the some net connectivity, assessment box is not coming. I think this one is coming. So here I just provide some description. This is a wealth management. Day 3, batch 1, then created. I'm showing you the live process. अगर कोई हमारी फाइल में एरर होगा, so it will show you take you back to that error where this template is not filled properly. Okay. On the top of the screen, you just click it here. There are some errors in the file. In configuration detail, number of question does not match with the ones in the section detail. So we have to just go back to the sheet and check the configuration detail, because questions are given 10 and they are saying number of questions of the wealth management with the section detail, and section detail we have provided only the 5 questions. So here what we have to do, we have to do it 10, and maximum number of the question to be attempted, that is to be also 10. Control S. And save again the same sheet. Upload it and create. So now it is coming, assessment created successfully. So once the assessment is created, now the other step is to schedule that assessment. Likewise, this is a batch that I have created, wealth management day 3 batch 1. Then I come to the schedule, click on the schedule button. This screen will open. From here, I have to just place a select button. Like for example, the day 3 is a risk analysis and the insurance planning. What I am doing, I am just selecting the same. And after selecting the same, what I have to do, I have to just go to the activities. Select the assessment. This assessment now is to be linked with that day. So now you will see this batch is MCQ is added to the day 3. See this, risk analysis and insurance, wealth management, and day 3. Any questions on this?
And activate now, when will you do the activate now for this thing?
You can, yes, now you can activate now for the timing of the session. Like I have to activate this MCQ from, for example, my session is from 10 to 2 p.m. right? So I will activate this before half an hour, you can say, this option from 1:30 to till 6. So this depends upon the, you can say, with the committee. what is the time when this MCQ will be pop up or mail should be shoot up to the participants.
So this also we can schedule a time limit.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the you can see a 3-step process. One is syllabus, another is content, and another is delivery control. Apart from this, my fifth part is the report generation process.
Ankit, you're going to take them to reports now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That MCQ configuration part is done. Then now how to prepare, how to generate a report from the portal.
Yes.
Actually, this option due to net connectivity is not coming presently.
हाँ, क्या है अंकित, कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है बताओ?
मैम वो ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है, वो थोड़ा नेट कनेक्टिविटी इशू से वो ब्राउज नहीं हो पा रहा है पूरा.
No, what is the option you're trying for?
मैम रिपोर्ट्स.
हाँ, वो नीचे है ना, स्क्रॉल डाउन करो साइड में.
वो हो नहीं रहा है, वो ही नहीं हो रहा.
अच्छा.
वही प्रॉब्लम आ रही है.
अच्छा, हाँ आ गई. अच्छा.
वो स्क्रीन शेयर की वजह से मैम थोड़ा ना वो नीचे नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ.
सो हियर यू विल फाइंड अ ऑप्शन ऑफ द रिपोर्ट्स.
आप क्लिक करो तो नीचे वो तो है. अपनी स्क्रीन पे भी दिख रही है, मैक्सिमाइज नहीं कर पा रहे.
बिल्कुल ड्रैग बटन भी नहीं आ रहा है. सो दिस इज व्हाई इट इज नॉट कमिंग डाउन.
अपनी स्क्रीन में भी नहीं दिख रही.
नहीं दिख रहा मैम, वो ड्यू टू नेट कनेक्टिविटी इशू या स्क्रीन जो शेयर करी है उसकी वजह से है ये.
हाँ, आप अपनी तरफ से एक बार अनडू करके फिर दोबारा दिखाओ ना, तब ठीक हो जाएगा.
ओके.
हाँ.
Ankit,
Yes, sir.
this all report and all these things now, we can see it later
Yeah.
because we have got some batches,
No
etc.
issues.
coming up. Let's focus now more on what is the, and not everybody of all these members are also involved in these processes. So it will be good
Okay.
that if we discuss this, your portion with a small set of 2-3 people, so that it will save your time as well as their time as well. So if we can,
Okay, sir.
my
Okay.
request is
We
if
can
you
do so, sir.
quickly conclude on that, so that we can move on. And then for those all way many people who want to come as a host or co-host, so they will maybe if they have some question, etc., we can with Vishnuji we can separately check and we can do that way. Yeah, that way a better thing. Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, actually, I think, sir, as sir said, 2 or 3 people from the committee alone
Yeah.
will be involved in just managing the batch content.
That is, yes.
And yes, just to conclude, Ankit, you can just show them how they have to see that the members have logged in. That is, under the course batch, you have the participants option. So under the participants option, just they will know. You click on the participants option. Are you able to show that participants option? You can just show that they have started the course. They have started coming into the course, at least that. Otherwise, shall I do the share screen and do it now?
Yeah, that will be more better, ma'am. Due to the net
I think
connectivity,
now
the option is
this thing has improved. 1 minute. Aap band karo. I will share and finish.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, the screen is there. So you, as a course administrator from your committee, when you're this is how you see the managed courses. Click on the batch name. Once you click on the batch name, you know what is happening today. You click on the course content activities. You know which is active, which is scheduled for the day. All that will come up on the first initial dashboard screen itself. And you know who are all the members on the right hand side here. You know all of that. Then here on the menu, as Ankit was trying to show you, this is the reports option. This is what he was trying to show you. I hope everybody is able to see now. Yeah. So when you click on the reports option, here, this is the very basic this thing. Here you need not do anything. Only thing is you will have a generate button or a regenerate button. Just click on this generate button. You will have a pop-up. It's saying after some time you can generate the report. Click OK. And then after 5 minutes, you can click on download report and an Excel file opens up wherein it gives you the statistics of who are all have attended the MCQs and whether they had logged in today. A basic idea of attendance and grades and everything will be there. 1 second. Sir, it is set. Just after 5-10 minutes, you can see it live, sir. Yes. Yes, I know that. I'm doing that. Yes. Okay. I'm busy with something else. I'll call you 1 o'clock. I'm clear. Yeah. Okay. So this is just a protected sheet. That's why. 1 second. So here, the participants with their name and their membership ID, who has taken which activity or which day's MCQ. So the list will keep increasing as the sessions go on. If you generate, these are all the people who have attended the assessment, and you want to know their grades and other things. So that all.
Ma'am, please share that Excel sheet. Actually, this is not coming on the screen.
It's not share coming. Oh, okay. 1 second. I'll again do it. अब दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is visible.
Yeah. So you have sheets here, which we say the data sheet, where you will have the activities, what the people have done. And if you see the MCQs, if they have attended, it will show that they have attended the MCQs. These are the people who have attempted and who have started attending the course. Yahan percentage increase hota jayega as they come. Then you will have the attendance and this. So this is the sheet which will get updated based on who has done what in the course, whether they have come in or not. This is a very basic report. There are even more advanced reports which we can generate and we can keep sharing with you so that you can keep a tab on who are all the people who are attending the course and how much they have finished or what the scores, whatever will get updated here. Like say, for example, these are the people who attended and what was their score as per the evaluation that they have attended is all updated in the sheets, as you can see. So this is the basic report. So just to conclude, number 1 is the creation of the course content, table of contents, adding of reference material and PPTs every now and then as the course goes on. The faculty can provide and you can keep adding into the course contents, and the reports you can generate. And the important step is adding the Zoom link into the session notes so that when participants come in, they'll be able to start the session through that. Yes, sir. Vidyadhar, sir, you can take it.
Yeah. Sangeeta ji, really thank you for giving us a good overview and this one on insights onto this both aspects, Zoom as well as this were DLH. Any of my colleagues, any questions you have? Apart from that, one general question many of you may be having is, what's in it for me here? Other than that, anything if you are interested to ask a question on these aspects, feel free. If you have anything, we can, Ankit and Vishnu ji and Sangeeta ji can, answer those questions. Otherwise, we can conclude this, as of now.